Hi gang, Chris here, Real Window Creative. I wanted to show you something a little different today, and I got one question for you. Do you have a library card? Everyone I've ever asked that has said no, which has been astounding to me. I do, and I use it quite often. I actually have access to 3 different libraries, 4, and some are better than others. But there's one specific thing that I want to show you. I mean, there's many things that you can do there, but there's one I want to show you today. And so anyway, let's go take a look. Let's get going. Here we go. I'm already logged into my particular one of my libraries. This just happens to be King County Library. Shout out, good job you guys do. So I'm already logged in. You can see my name up there behind my video. Well, you could if my mug wasn't up there hiding it. So here's the website, right? And let's just click on right here and see what they tell you. If there are services at your library link, you can pick up holds, browse collection. You can visit the library. You can print from your own device. In other words, I could print an item from here and go pick it up at the library. Amazing, because not everybody has a printer, and sometimes they don't work, or you're out of ink, or whatever. In my case, I would have to drive about a quarter mile to go pick that item up. Use a library computer. This is something I've shared with homeless people. Get a library card, it's free, and then you can go online and do all the things that, job related or life related that you might need to do online. You can reserve a meeting room. So if you're you want to just meet and talk with somebody, whatever you want to do, library's got you connected. You just get in there, and you can even use their video technology and different devices. It's pretty amazing. But that's not what I really want to show you today. What I would like to show you is that you can access LinkedIn Learning. It used to be called lynda.com. It's a tutorial website that has pretty much how-to videos on just about everything you could want to do. Let's go take a look. So if I enter in the search bar here, Lynda, let's put in LinkedIn Learning. Now I've got it set on catalog. I'm not going to probably get much from that. So I need to set the search drop down here to the website, and we'll do it again. And here's what I get. I get that. That's not really what I want. Oh, weird. Okay, LinkedIn. I need to get rid of some part of that. Let's try this. LinkedIn. Okay, well maybe Lynda is the key. Lynda. Lynda spelled L-Y. There it is. LinkedIn Learning. Formerly lynda.com. Explore LinkedIn Learning from the library. Investigate all 16,000 courses, including all lynda.com content. Set and track goals. Learn a new language. Study business, tech, or graphic design. And by the way, I forgot to mention, you can watch movies online, or music, or audiobooks, or listen from anywhere, which is a huge thing, huge benefit. Free, did I say free? So let's just click on back to the LinkedIn. There it is. Online LinkedIn Learning. Here we go. Get started. Oh, beautiful. Okay. You got to put in your library card number again and your little pin that you're going to make if you have a library card or get one. And here we go. So here's the front page of LinkedIn Learning. There's some stuff they're featuring: emotional intelligence, cultural humility and agility. Nice. Think like a doctor. Body language secrets. Good to know. And being productive while traveling and working. Great, great. And, oh, look at this. Now, I'm actually using OBS right now to make this video. And look what I've got saved there. Setting up scenes in OBS. So, here's Premiere Pro. Now, this is Talk Pics for me, and I just happen to be using Premiere Pro today as well to create this video for you. I'll piece it together after doing the recording here.
Video is one of the most dynamic, powerful, personal, and versatile mediums there is. And being able to manipulate and edit video to tell a story, elicit emotions, and speak to an audience is truly the heart and soul of this incredible craft.
Okay, well, I'm sure they don't want me to play this for you. LinkedIn might have a problem with that. But here you got the course contents on the left side. This particular course has been saved 7,556 times. It's a 6-hour course. It's designated as beginner. It was just released in July, end of July. And it's going to tell you a bunch of stuff about using Premiere Pro. So let's just search, what else can we search? How about YouTube? Look at this, YouTube. So that came up with 15 course results for YouTube. Creating and managing a YouTube channel. Steps to get your first 10K subscribers. Okay, we're going to save that. Oh, developing a YouTube strategy. Oh, this is the gold. YouTube tips. Learning YouTube SEO. That's search engine optimization. Nobody's going to find your page unless you know what that is. Online video content. How to monetize. Oh, we're going to save that. Make money on YouTube. You can make money on YouTube? Well, somebody is. Maybe. So there you have those, but now it has more. Right? More. Look at all this. More. Creating your personal brand. Learning YouTube analytics. How to optimize your videos and gain views. Look at this. Oh my God. That alone is probably enough reason for you to go get a video card, isn't it? I would think. Create images and videos with Canva. Look at this. Capturing videos, sharing videos. Okay, so what else is something I wish we were live right now, because I could ask you guys to tell me what you would want to learn about. So what if we just put in crafts? Craftsmanship methods. Learning logo
to build
design.
precise logo marks in Illustrator.
Learning craft photography.
Hi, I'm Megan Anderson Reed. I'm a professional craft blogger, instructor, photographer.
That's the other thing you can do. You can actually become an instructor on Lynda and get paid. So, and this all starts with your library card, or you can pay, right? Let's just see. Lynda.com cost. There we go, pricing. Let's just see what it says here. Well, we got nothing. Got nothing from that particular $30 per month. There it is right there. Billed annually at $360. So $30 a month. You're going to save that just having your library card just for this one thing. All right. Well, I think I've made my point. Get a library card and fast track your career or whatever. What do you do? Whatever else you want to do. How about, what if we go back over here? How about cooking? Cooking. Let's see what we get. 504 results for cooking. Mechanics. Let's try mechanics. 3,000 results for mechanics. Have any challenges with Facebook? Let's try Facebook. 32 course results for Facebook. Advertising, marketing, content creation. What else? How about dog training? How to walk the dog. Right there it is. All right, man. I'm going to get out of here. Short and sweet. Get your library card. Like and subscribe if you find any value here. I'm going to go put this together and get it up. All right? Chris here, Real Window Creative, signing off. See you later.